Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging for you. And before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. I also thank all of you who have subscribed to my second YouTube channel. I will leave the link to that in my description box, along with the links to these products and to the company so that you can check out their website. And I think they're also doing a Black Friday sale, so I will leave all that info in my description box. So let's get into this. This comes to me from Paintsomeway, and I've only got a couple items in here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull them out and get rid of the crinkly, noisy back. Alright, so the first thing that I got from them was this little partial special shaped canvas. And there are, let me see, I think there's four different styles to choose from of this one. So you just roll this back. It comes with your typical toolkit. This one has a pair of the plastic tweezers, a single placer pink pen, the green boat, and a single plate of wax, which is all you need to do any diamond painting. So I am going to roll this backwards. And like I said, there are 4 different styles to choose from. I just got this one because it was more colorful and I thought it was cute. So this is called Fashion Lady, and it is $5.99 on their website. And as you can see, it is just a partial. All this black is not drilled. The only thing we're going to drill is her hair and her dress. We don't even drill her face. And it is very sticky. Very clear drill field. But I just thought she was really pretty. And let's look at the drills. Alright. These are going to be real pretty. Very bright and colorful. So, we have got pink, gold, green, light blue. There's another pink, red. We have got two blue hearts. Only need one, so they actually give us an extra. Ooh, look at those. Can y'all see those? We've got some little pink flowers. We've got some more red and some more darker red. So where did them little flowers go? Let's see. Here's the schematic. Let's see, what number is that? Number 3. And it even has the codes on there for the symbols, if you keep those. So, where are the number 3s? I'm blind, y'all. I mean, the little flowers themselves are not very big. Wait a minute. Yeah, it says number 3. Are y'all seeing them? Are y'all yelling at me? There they are. Right there. There's one. They go right here. Right in there. So that's going to be really pretty. And then, of course, that one blue heart goes right there. And then you got an extra one. Which I'm glad they do that, because sometimes I've gotten special shaped canvases. And they'll send... most of the time they do send an extra. Not very many extras. But sometimes with them bagged up and stuff, they can get chipped or scratched. And you don't have anything to choose from. So if they only send one and it's chipped or scratched or broken, you're just, you know, out of luck. You don't have anything else to choose from. So, like I said, this is called Fashion Lady, and it was $5.99. Paintsomeway, and there are 4 different styles to choose from. Alright, I'm going to set her over here, and I'm going to grab another one. So, this one also is a special shape, and it is called I can't even read my own handwriting. The Tenacious Blooming Flowers in Woodpile. What a title. Comes with a normal toolkit. And then we'll look at that in a second. But I seen this and I thought, well, that's different. So I thought I'd get it and check it out. But it is a stump with flowers growing out of it. I thought it was different and it was pretty. And a lot of people, if they have stumps in their yard, a lot of people do plant flowers around it. I did at one time at a different place that I lived, like years ago. I had a stump in my yard, and it was ugly. And I just went ahead and I planted flowers around it. And then on the top, I just put a pot of flowers on there. But as you can see, it's very clear, colorful. It is sticky. And you only place the drills where it shows. So let's look at these and see what these look like. Now, this is a 30 by 30, has 9 different gems. If I can get this open. I see it. Alright, I got it. Now, this one is $4.99. There are 4 different styles to choose from. This is the one I liked. I thought it had more color in it than the others. But we have green, we have a brown, another brown, burgundy, and a purple. And then we have a blue. And then look at those. We have purple teardrops. We have some gold half pearls. And then we have got, can y'all see the color in these? Or y'all just seeing the reflection, the glare, I mean. I apologize if you do. But anyway, we have these. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. So, the little purple teardrops are going to go right here in the petals of the flowers. And then we got the colorful, what are these, marquise? Is that what y'all call these, is marquise? Are the flowers. Oh, and then we have some more of the little purple teardrops right there. And then I'm sure that's where the gold goes. I think I'm getting a delivery because the boys are going ballistic out there. So, this one again is called the Tenacious Blooming Flowers in Woodpile for $4.99. So, there is that one. Alright, so the last one that I have is called Partial Special Shape Christmas Water Cup. And this one is $4.49. And it also comes with 4 different styles. So we have a typical boat. And then there's those. Now this is a pretty flimsy feeling material top canvas. And as you can see, it is a water glass with poinsettias in it. And I thought this was cute. They have another one that's got Santa Claus in the cup and the snowman. But I thought this one was cute. And it has 9 different shapes. And again, it's a 30 by 30. And let's look at these real quick. Alright. Sorry about the crinkling noise. It's just part of it. Okay, so we have got, oh goodness, we've got those little orange slivers. We've got some red, two different size red round. And then we've got a pink, a gold, a green, and we've got 2 more reds, and then we've got clear. So where are those little slivers gonna go? Those things are a pain in the butt. I ain't even gonna lie. I mean, they're gorgeous once they're on here, but oh boy, boy, they are a pain in the butt to get a hold of and everything else. So, them little slivers, where are they gonna go? Let's see. I think it said it's number 9. So we know that the big round ones are gonna go on here for like the holly berries. I guess that's what that's supposed to be. Okay, they're like right in here. That's where them little slivers are gonna go. Right there in the middle of that flower. And then we've got some right here in those areas. So, it's going to be really pretty when it's completed. So, alright, so just to recap, this one is called Christmas Water Cup for $4.49. This one is the Tenacious Blooming Flowers in the Woodpile for $4.99. And then this one is called Fashion Lady. And there are 4 different styles of her also. And she is $4.99 also. So, which one is y'all's favorite? I really like this one just because it's all colorful. But these are really neat because they're different. So, alright. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the links to the products, if they're still in stock, in my description box, along with Paintsomeway's link and all of their codes for anything that has to do with a sale. So y'all go check out this company. I love this company. They have all kinds of things to choose from. So go check them out, and until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.